Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video, and in today's video it is going to be part 2 of how I edit my comics. And part 2 is basically adding effects, bringing the page into Clip Studio Paint and all of that. So basically for all my pages I have to scale them to size to fit into the boxes that I already have pre-planned in Clip. So I do that 4 times because I have 4 scan pages for this round, and I've already have my text, so basically it's just me editing the text, making sure everything is right in the right place, and then adding text bubbles. And Clip Studio Paint has a bunch of text bubbles to work with, so that's super duper helpful for like if you don't want to draw them, because you can draw them in Clip Studio Paint. I just choose to use the pre-made ones because that's a little bit, you know, less time consuming than drawing, because I'm super duper like anal about this stuff. As well as all the text and the text bubbles and moving that around to make it look good, there are effects, and most of the effects are like line effects for, you know, exaggeration and stuff like that. I didn't get to use those in these panels because they didn't really need them. But in some of the previous pages I've used some lines that you saw on screen, and those are super helpful when you want to like add something to like a dramatic scene. But I do have a bunch of brushes that have effects on them. So I have like a water brush and like all of that, and as you see here, this is my water brush. Well, that's the effect of my water brush, and then I added another effect on top of it to look black and white. So yes, there's just a lot of effects and a lot of stuff going back and forth, I guess. I use panels from other pages if I don't feel like drawing that specific panel when I know I can do that. Like this one, I brought in a side view from another page and I edited it for this specific page. So I do that a lot, especially like if it's just side views or like a full, or like, what is it, a 3/4 view of a person. I do it with Max a lot because you know, his face is just kind of hard to draw. So yeah, I do that with him a lot. But yeah, I don't show you all of my pages, or at least most of them, but I show you the text and stuff because I want you guys to know that like this is kind of hard for my, not my first, but like my first like official comic. At the end of adding all my effects and text bubbles and all of that, I have to scale my pages down because I like working at a very large size, and Tapas doesn't really like really large formatted comics. So I have to end up scaling it down and then creating thumbnails and all of that, as you see here. If you want to see my Inktober endeavors, the Tapas link will be down in the description below, as well as my Instagram for those aesthetically pleasing shots that some people don't like of my art before I scan it. And yeah, go follow me on Tapas, go follow me on Instagram for the, you know, not daily updates, but just know it's getting done. Guys, it is coming to this end of the video. If you have any questions about editing your comic page, please do not hesitate to ask. Please subscribe to the channel. We upload videos, you know, I want to say every Friday, but since Inktober it hasn't been every Friday. It's whenever I can get a video up, so just, you know, subscribe to stay tuned to all that artsues and whatnot. And comment down below, like this video and all that jazz. I hope you guys enjoyed how I do comics. Bye guys.